Get him! He won't escape this time. Not by this time. Not if we get there first. Stay back! Get out of our courtyard! Cat, where did you go? Give my girlfriend back, or I'll make your situation worse.
Uncle Lion, go teach those donkeys a lesson!
We're doomed!
Uncle Lion, bring that one here. It will make a great
Look what I caught!
We can all eat together.
Stay back! Get out of our courtyard! Cat, where did you go? Give my girlfriend back, or I'll make your situation worse.
Uncle Lion, go teach those donkeys a lesson!
We're doomed!
Uncle Lion, bring that one here. It will make a great
Look what I
barbecue.
caught!
We can all eat together.
Running! Oh! We gotta go! I can't breathe! Ah!
Because of you, I almost lost my life. I would have become the lion's food by now.
There was a lot of fat on the pork, and it was really enjoyable to eat.
Eat slowly, my friend, or it might get stuck in your throat. I'm eating at my cat niece's wedding. Let me enjoy it a little.
Sakina, where did you go leaving me behind? How could you marry the cat? Oh, Sakina, where did you go? Oh, Sakina.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
My baby will be strong and intelligent like me.
Wow! So many fish! Gotta catch them all!
Woe is me! I can't believe it's come to this!
Salah is fishing here. Did he leave my Sakina alone at home?
I miss you so much.
My donkey, please leave from here. If my husband sees you, he might hurt you again. Please go.
Fresh fish, just caught today. I'll take 3 of the big ones. How much for this one?
My dear Sakina, I have something to talk to you about. Let's go inside and talk in private.
Here are the clothes you selected.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Oh man!
My stomach hurts. Oh no! It's time.
Oh no, are you okay? I'm calling for help immediately. Hello, this is Adrita Hospital. How can I help you?
My wife is pregnant. Please send an ambulance quickly. She is in a lot of pain. Please hurry.
All right, sir. I'm sending an ambulance to your address right now.
Hello? Why is the ambulance taking so long? Sir, our ambulance has fallen into the water. We won't be able to come now. Please bring your wife to our hospital.